How to install and upload the Divi theme in WordPress. Open your web browser and go to elegantthemes.com. You can find the link in the description below for quick access. Once you're on the Elegant Themes webpage, take a moment to check out their pricing options. They offer a yearly subscription for $89. If you're satisfied with the offer and would like to upgrade, you can do so by selecting the $287 yearly subscription, which includes the Divi Theme Builder, Divi AI Unlimited Text, Image and Code Generator, Divi Cloud with unlimited storage, and Divi VIP with premium support available 24/7, responding within just 30 minutes or less. Click the Sign Up Today button and create your account by filling in the registration page. After completing the registration, go back to the homepage and click on Account. Log in using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Elegant Themes dashboard. From here, locate and click the Download the Divi Theme button to initiate the download. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the downloaded Divi theme file. Then, click Save. Now, let's move over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are inside WordPress, look for the Appearance menu on the left side of your screen. Click on it to expand the options. Select Themes from the available options. This will take you to the Themes section. To add the Divi theme, click the Add New button located at the top of the page. On the next screen, click the Upload Theme button. Now click the Choose File button and navigate to the Divi theme file you downloaded from the Elegant Themes website. Select the file and click Install. Be patient and avoid refreshing the page until the installation process is completed. This will prevent any issues. Once the installation is finished, you will see a success message on the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and uploaded the Divi theme in WordPress. Make sure to check out our next video on how to activate and update your Divi theme.